Hi, I'm Dave Bearing, Technical Director here at TriStar, and welcome to another Tech Talk. If you've ever been to Las Vegas and seen the very unique Dancing Waters display in front of the Bellagio, you're looking at some pretty unique parts that TriStar did for that application. This is several years ago, and we used our Ultracomp UC200 material as a very unique roller bearing combination that was used on the Dancing Water nozzles. And these are nozzles that are actually rotating 360 degrees on a track system, which gives you that effect of being able to move in many directions, and all this with very, very high pressure water running through the nozzles, as you can imagine. So they needed a bearing material that, number one, worked well underwater, could stand up to the chlorination that was required because of the huge pool that these waters, these dancing waters, are functioning in. The pressure of the nozzle, the responding pressure of the nozzle force, put huge amounts of loads on these little bearing rollers. So they needed something that had very high compressive strength. And so Ultracomp UC200 was a very simple and unique way to solve that problem. Prior to that, they were actually looking at designs where they would be using rolling element bearings with seals and a steel roller, kind of like a traditional cam roller. And it just became very evident very quickly that corrosion was going to be a problem. And if one of those nozzles seizes up, then it kind of ruins the whole effect. So Ultracomp UC200, again, one of the best materials we have for underwater, whether that's fresh water, chlorinated water, sludge, salt water. We have an Ultracomp material that's compatible with all those different environments. It's a simple, plain bearing material, no lubrication required, but in this case, as I said, the water is a perfect place for this product. Doesn't swell, and the water becomes a lubrication. So if you have an application where it's in water all the time, or maybe it just gets splashed routinely, and you're looking for a polymeric solution to that bearing application, think about Ultracomp, because it's a very, very effective material when it's wet. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you on another Tech Talk.